Get ready to burst out in laughter as this artist's doodles turn everyday birds into hilarious masterpieces. Who knew that birds with hands could be this funny? Leo's doodles give them a whole set of comedic chaos. His works are all about serving serotonin sandwiches that will have you rolling in the aisles. These birds' hilarious hustles will definitely tickle your funny bone for good. Keep watching to boost your serotonin levels.